Intanta.
My name is Ade.
My name is Dicky.
My name is Evelyn. We are from Group 1.
So now we are in Excelso. We'll show you guys how the marketing strategy in Excelso. Check it out.
The first Excelso has established in September 1991 at Plaza Indonesia, Jakarta, to support a new brand coffee that created by PT Santos Jaya Abadi Excelso Coffee. Excelso Coffee was established to support marketing and image that called Excelso Coffee. And this is Excelso Coffee is targeting for upper and middle class, and we can find it at any supermarket in Indonesia. With the Excelso Cafe, the public can enjoy coffee that is brewed directly as ordered, or ground and brewed directly in the machine. With the best quality coffee available only at Excelso Cafe.
At Excelso, we don't have to wait long when ordering a food. It's a plus because it makes the customer comfortable. We don't have to queuing and stand too long when ordering a food or drinks. The concept applied in Excelso cafes is full service, where customer order menus and waiters are ready to record and answer all customer questions and recommend menu choices. For innovation in the menu, the R&D department innovates and introduces new products once every 2 until 3 months. Then the new product is monitored both by the progress of sales and customer opinions. In Excelso, they also engage the customer to create a new taste. For example, the Nati Frappio. It's combining the customer opinion and suggestion that the coffee they mix it with peanut. So they call it Nati Frappio.
The scope of Excelso is quite extensive. Excelso is in more than 50 cities in Indonesia. Selection of the location of Excelso is quite strategic because almost all Excelso outlets are located in the central area of the mall, plaza, and office buildings. For example, the Excelso we go to is strategically located, so the Excelso is directly visible from the entrance to the parking lot. And besides, the Excelso is also available in area.
The existence of member card is effective because it's not fully utilized. Due to the lack of socialization of member card to customers, especially from cafe waiters, causing customer not knowing the loyalty program. The Excelso outlet is narrow and lack of any visible characteristic. It doesn't give a memorable experience for the customer, and the characteristic that stand out from Excelso is only on serving plate.
Thank you for keeping up with us. After this, we're going to compare Excelso marketing strategy with their ultimate competitor from America. Stay tuned. Bye-bye.
Hello guys, so welcome back with us. Okay, so today we're going to show you the strategy marketing of Starbucks. Okay,
The company as we know it today started in 1971 with Jerry Baldwin, Chef Syach, and Gordon Bowker selling coffee beans. The logo of Starbucks contains the iconic mermaid of Norse mythology. The image has gone through a lot of changes before arriving at the iconic green logos that everyone has come to know for a premium coffee today.
When Starbucks first completed their first IPO, they rebranded all their logo that they use now in their marketing efforts. Starbucks have 44 outlets in Indonesia and 3 of them are in Malang. Starbucks caters for women and men from upper class that have the financial capacity to buy Starbucks premium beverage and the beverage they offer regularly.
With a very strong brand awareness, Starbucks improved their business and also improved their performance in the midst of high competition. That comes not only from coffee but also from other types of drink. This is representative of exactly what Starbucks is known for, creating an amazing environment where people can have a great time and refill their cups.
Starbucks has a mission to bring the best coffee in the world to their customers without compromising their principle during their growth. Starbucks is creating special campaign every month and creating an attractive new seasonal drink. For example, is Pink Love, which is Starbucks is celebrating a day of breast cancer and creating a new menu nuanced in pink.
Creating unique Starbucks merchandise, tumblers are the best product in line with Starbucks' vision that protects the environment.
Building a special Starbucks concept such as the Starbucks Reserve Store that provides more customer experience and engagement with optimal CRM through Starbucks loyalty card.
The difference between Starbucks and Excelso is the coffee, because even the Excelso and Starbucks is a coffee shop, but the most popular menu in Starbucks is non-coffee. And Starbucks got a critic from the coffee expert, which is the coffee in Starbucks is have more sugar and syrup, but not the bean of coffee. At Starbucks, we must wait the call by the waiters after we are ordering a coffee. But the Excelso, we can order and we can wait it in the seat so our body can rest.
Okay, so we've done reviewing the marketing strategy of 2 coffee shops in Indonesia that are Excelso and Starbucks. Okay, Ade, which one do you choose, Excelso or Starbucks?
I prefer Excelso because the place makes me comfortable.
If Efe, which one do you choose?
I'm choosing Starbucks because we just have a free sample, which is Starbucks.
Okay. If Ma, which one do you choose?
Prefer Excelso because they have good experience with coffee.
Tanta?
I choose Starbucks because they have a huge variety of tumbler.
Okay guys, that's all from us. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.